How to recover deleted messages on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. Accidentally deleted a message on WhatsApp and want to recover it? We are here to help. So first of all, there are several ways to recover deleted messages on WhatsApp. One way is simply you can check the archive chats. Open WhatsApp and log into your account. Tap Archive at top and look for the conversation you are trying to recover. If found, you can easily long press on particular chat and then tap on archive icon or the archive icon at top right corner to restore it. Second way, you can restore from backup. If the message isn't archived and was deleted, try restoring from a backup. Make sure WhatsApp backup is enabled and you can easily now reinstall WhatsApp from Play Store or App Store. Then again, you have to open WhatsApp, log in, enter your number, and when prompted, you can tap Restore to recover your chat history. If message was included in the most recent backup, it will be restored. That all it take. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.